In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete a watch list on investing.com. Watch lists are useful for keeping track of the markets and assets you're interested in. Over time, though, you may end up with watch lists that you no longer use. Deleting old or unnecessary watch lists can help keep your account organized and make it easier to focus on the lists that are still relevant. To begin, go to the Watch List section from the top navigation menu. Here you'll see all of the watch lists you've created, along with the assets saved in each one. Select the watch list that you want to remove. Make sure you've chosen the correct one, especially if you have several watch lists with similar names. Once you've opened the watch list, look for the watch list management options. These are usually represented by a menu icon near the watch list name. Click the Management option to display the available actions. Among the options, you'll find the choice to delete the watch list. Select Delete Watchlist. Investing.com may ask you to confirm your decision before permanently removing the list. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletion. If a confirmation message appears, review it carefully and then confirm that you want to delete the watch list. After confirming, the selected watch list will be removed from your account. After the watch list has been deleted, you'll automatically return to your remaining watch lists. If you decide later that you want to organize similar assets again, you can always create a new watch list and start adding items back whenever you like. Regularly removing outdated watch lists can make your investing.com workspace cleaner and easier to navigate. Keeping only the watch lists you actively use helps you find important market information more quickly and reduces unnecessary clutter. And that's how to delete a watch list on investing.com.